is up, guys? Today we got Leopard, boys. I'm good, just to make it better. I'm just gonna host a raid, then do it. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let's transform before I'm in the raid. I lag a lot with Leopard, so. No, it's impossible to carry with Leopard, but I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna try to carry the raid with Leopard spam. Yeah. I'm even gonna turn on this. My goodness! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm not doing this, bro. It's impossible to carry a leopard. I know leopard is so trash for raids. Just did that one. I know I won't be able to complete it because I'm using leopard like the worst route in the game. Leopard's trash. Just kidding, it's the best route in the game. I just bought it off stock. That's why I have 3 million now. Let me just show you guys the shop. Oh yeah, I can't, sorry. Because I'm in the raid, I can't just reset because I might win. Oh, now I'm gonna... Oh, bacon! Yeah, that black hole. So... Yeah, bro. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, bro. Look how fast I'm going. Gosh, I'm so... Okay, I won't... I'm doing this, bro. I'm doing this. Ooh. I'm just spamming at this point. Not even using any moves. Usually spam. Stop! Leopard spam! Bro, I love it when people call me a leopard spammer, bro. I love it when they call me that, bro. I just feel good when they call me that. I just feel good when they call me that. Because, you know, I'm the best leopard spammer ever. Just got 1 kill. Almost about to go to the 5th island. Oh, I thought that was it. This gotta be the last kill. Come on, bro. Oh, isn't it? Bro, I can't believe I'm gonna complete the raid under 7 minutes, bro. This leopard spam is crazy. I know you can't hear the sound, but if you heard it, you'd be like, oh my god, you're the best spammer ever, bro. Leopard spammer, you're the best leopard spammer. You're all gonna be like that, bro. And if I see the comments very mean, I say, I'm just gonna be crying off camera, bro. I'm just gonna be crying off camera. Oh my god, bro. My leopard spam is crazy, bro. My leopard spam is crazy. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it in 6 minutes. That's so trash. Oh my god, I need to finish this quick. I'm the trashiest leopard spammer ever. Bro, you can't even solo a raid with leopard, bro. It's trash. No, trash for real. Trash for real. It's the best fruit for PvP, and people think it's trash because they kill leopard spammers. They're not even the worst. They're not even the best. I've never died with leopard before, bro. Even 30 million matches can't kill me. Oh my god! Oh, this is taking forever. Okay. Oh my god. I'm not even using a mouse. If I had an auto clicker, I swear. Oh, what the? Oh my god. 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 This leopard is Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm the best leopard spammer. I totally didn't start leopard. Totally didn't start leopard. Bro, leopard is insane. Look how many NPCs I've killed. But I won't be able to carry. Why would I carry a raid with this trash leopard? Leopard is trash. It sucks. It's for spammers. I'm a spammer, so that's why I use it. I won't even get 1,000 fractions. Looks like I'm doing it not even under 3 minutes. Can I at least do this now? Bro, following the raid with leopard is just annoying. Oh, bro just missed. Oh my god, bro's getting combo. Definitely not spam. Yeah. Totally. Oh my god. I know you guys can't hear it, but if you heard it, you're gonna be no. I'm not the best leopard spammer, but I will see you. Bro, the bosses keep running away like a mink, bro. I'm like a mink, but even faster. Nah, leopard is mink v4. If you're using this slow race, that's a good race for you. That's a good fruit for you. That's a good fruit for you. I was using cyborg and I was still doing kind of good. But oh my gosh. Oh, I just done you. Oh, jeez. Oh, you just hit me with that. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, I'm dead. Bro. If you use me with Vincent. No. I hate you, lava. No. I'm dead. I'm gonna just die. Are you serious, bro? Okay, this is the end of the video. Bye, guys.